As creators, we're constantly striving to level up our shots. And sometimes I want to capture cinematic footage with gear that's portable and easy to use. Meet Insta360 Flow, the AI tracking stabilizer. Elevate your smartphone into the ultimate content creation tool. Mount your phone, unfold, and go. No need to twist or press any buttons. Flow folds up compactly to easily fit in your bag or pocket. Flow's 3-axis stabilization cancels out any shakes, so phone footage has never looked so smooth. The best part? Keep subjects in frame with Deep Track 3.0. Flow keeps tracking the same person even if they're blocked from view or if another person enters the frame. For the first time, you can track at high frame rates. Get cinematic shots even when you're zoomed in. Flow automatically stabilizes and adjusts settings. So it's not just shots of playing the guitar, it's kind of like a movie. Like, this summer, you're playing the guitar. That's my movie voiceover impression. We'll move on. Not only can Flow track people, Flow can also identify and track different objects from all angles even as you move. It also has a built-in selfie stick for even more creative angles. Go high, go low, go live, or even go hands-free with gesture control. The built-in tripod is great for capturing a 360-degree pano or time-lapse. The Smart Wheel has all your controls in one place, like video replay, zoom control, and more. With a double tap of a button, quickly rotate your phone for social media-ready content. Swap modes with a simple swipe so you never miss the shot. And if you need some inspo, give Flow a voice command and the AI will recommend shooting techniques tailored to the scene. In Hoop mode, Flow's AI will recognize when you've made a basket and automatically saves your best shots. Keep shooting all day and even let Flow charge your phone. Add a microphone for next level audio quality and a spotlight for filming in low light. Level up your shots, unfold and go with Insta360 Flow.